What is going on, crypto miners? Just got another open box. Booyah! 4070. Look at that. Doesn't even look used. Second one. Alright. Getting ready to put it in that octo rig. Look how thin this thing is. I mean, seriously. It's thinner than the EVGA XE3. Okay, more to come.